Okay, this is a very specific question, but maybe one you can elaborate on for other items. With the body on the car, how do you change the spark plugs?
Oh, that's easy peasy. On your rear deck lid, because you've got a rear deck lid, and I understand this question because quite a few people have thought that the engine is somehow miraculously sitting here and there's nothing protecting you from it. So behind your seat there's a horizontal deck lid with soundproofing and heat proofing, so that you can do maintenance on the vehicle. So you can decide, you can either take the deck lid out, it just clips out, as simple as that. You're going to need to when you look at oil levels, etc. And all the spark plugs are right there. But at the same time, it's as easy to get to them from underneath. It's not like quite a few performance vehicles where the spark plugs are so hidden you have to take half the car apart to get it. These are very easy. You can get in with a nice big spanner, get in, take them out, swap them. Same with the oil filter, etc. It's very user-friendly.
Maybe just then elaborate also on, so you've got the deck lid, and now you've also got other service hatches behind on the firewall itself, where maybe you can get to the battery. That
Sorry, I actually almost forgot about it. Behind the seats, there are also big hatches which open. So if you needed to get to pulleys or a fan belt, it's easily accessible. You just have to move the seats forward and you can get to them. At the same time, if you are in a position where a friend or a mate has got a two-post lift the car up and you can stand there quite easily. There's a lot of space in the back.